3 ways to make more money and grow your clientele base as a barber. After this.
Still want all the checks, collecting debt you niggas took from me. Shaping season, breaking knee, don't try to look for me. Ducked off with a thought, I'm getting top and now she hooked to me.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Nova the Barber checking in with another video. Today I'm gonna give y'all 3 ways to grow your clientele base, get some more clients, and also grow your money, man. Make some more money out here as a barber. Number 1, word of mouth. Now this is the least physical work you have to put in. It's the least mental work that you have to put in, but it's the most important thing that can help you grow a clientele, get some more clients. Now, word of mouth is what helped me grow the most as a barber, and also, put more money in my pocket. So word of mouth is the best thing. Your work is that's all you have. So if you give a good performance and you put on your best work and you show people that you can cut, you know what I mean? They gon' fuck with you. That's just how it goes. So number 1, make sure that you put in your best effort every cut, because word of mouth is the best promotion that you can ever have. Like, people gonna see your cuts and they gonna ask people who cut your hair, and they gonna refer you, and that's gonna make your line buzz, man. Tell you, my shit jumped after that. Like, word of mouth. Number 2, business cards is very important. Gotta get you some of these. Gotta get you some business cards. Make them look sharp as possible. Presentation means everything. People see a good business card that attract customers. Leave them anywhere you can leave them. Me personally, I leave them in local, like hair stores. I take a bunch of cards, sit them in local hair stores, restaurants, anywhere you could think of, anywhere with people, any other businesses. Ask the owner or ask people who work there. See if you can leave your business cards in there so you can gain a fan base. Trust me, people will come see you. A good place to also leave business cards or pass them out. College campuses, man. College campuses is where it's at. Like, you got so many people from out of town that don't know the local barbers, that don't have a regular barber, and they looking for one. And especially like me, since I'm mobile, I come to you. It works in my favor because a lot of college kids just call me up, I come to their dorm. And once again, it runs into the first one, word of mouth. So they see me cutting his hair, they see I perform and do a good job on that client's hair. They want to check me out and give me a try also, because they like what they see. So business cards, man, make sure you go get you some and pass them out, man. That's the only way you gonna grow your clientele. You feel me? Last but not least, number 3, apps. The Cut app worked the best for me. I tried Booksy. It was another one I tried I didn't like. Booksy, I think they charged a little bit too much for me. The Cut app is perfect. $20 a month. Put your work up there. Add your services. Like I said, it's people from out of town. I get a lot of people that's from out of town off that app. I get a lot of people that's from out of the country off that app. Definitely utilize the Cut apps, or these apps that let you put your work up there, and it's specialized specifically for people in the cosmetology barber field. Like, so definitely make sure you use the Cut app. No, I don't got a sponsor. They need to sponsor me, but I definitely pay my $20 a month, and I'm telling you, my client base is growing every day. I get new text messages every day of somebody want to get their hair cut off the Cut app. Well, that's all I have for y'all today. Make sure y'all like, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so y'all can be notified every time I post a new video. Nova the Barber checking out. Yeah.